G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. Now I've got something different for you today. I'm always going on about chemicals and sprays and things like that, but today I want to have a look at our cleaning range. So what we've got here is our cleaning trolley. This is fantastic. So we've got our bucket down here that we put our clean water in. Clean soapy water, that is. Then we can wring it out here and the dirty water goes into this bucket here. Got a shelf here which we can put all of our bits and bobs in that we need to take around the workshop or the business or the home, wherever we're using it, and it's all ready to go. Now it's really simple to use. As I said, we put our clean soapy water into the main bucket here and we get our mop. In it goes, we mop away, then we want to wring it out. We drop the mop in and we just close the handle like this and it drains the mop out. So that's the mop bucket. Then we've got the Wurth mop head here. So you can see it's a large flat surface. There's two types of pads, this microfiber one for mopping and also this much thicker pad here. They're really easy to fit. We just push this red button here, it collapses and off they come. The handle is also extendable, so you can adjust the handle to whatever size you want. In conjunction with these, we've also introduced 3 new microfiber cloths. And you'll see there's green, there's a red, pink coloured one, and also a yellow one. Now, why are they different colours, you might ask? Well, we grab the green one, for example, and we've just cleaned the toilet. We don't want to then use that in our kitchen to wipe our benches or anything down. So for our benches, we might decide to use the pink coloured one, and so on. So that's why they're different colours. Now, they come in packs of 3. Of the same colour. There's those. And of course, if we're doing our mopping, we need to have a look at our surface and floor cleaner. Right, so this is for the mopping. So this is our eco line. So our eco line is environmentally friendly, so it's safe to use for the environment. But also, it's good for all hard surfaces. So any concrete surfaces or tiled surfaces, etc., you can use this product. And then just to add to the range, our last one here is dishwashing liquid. So if you've got to wash those dishes, here's the dishwashing liquid. And again, it's our eco line, so it's safe for the environment. So there you go, that's the Wurth cleaning range. Now if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And these products, they're ready for work.